In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove decals on this ATV. Now this method I've used for boats, cars, trucks, snowmobiles, you name it. Sometimes when you buy something for somebody, they have stickers all over, maybe the back window, or maybe all over the side of a snowmobile, old trail stickers, and you want to get those stickers off and remove the residue. I'm going to show you a couple products I use and how I get stickers off. Now the two products I use to remove stickers, decals, bug and tar off bumpers, even some sprayed on spray paint. They're both goof off, but they do two different things. This one here is a liquid and it's a little more mild strength. Even though they both say Pro Strength Remover, the spray one is much more powerful. Now if you're going to use this one here, I can tell you do not use it on glass, do not use it on Lexan. Like a snowmobile windshield, it will etch the windshield. This one is a lot stronger than this one is. So I usually start out using this one here to remove sticker and decal residue. If that doesn't do it, then I switch over and try this one. But this one will take paint off, it will take clear coat off. So you have to be careful with that one. One thing that probably helps the most is something to warm up your sticker or decal. This is a temperature controlled heat gun. If you don't have one of these, you can use a hair dryer. A hair dryer will just take a little bit longer to warm up your sticker or decal. But you're going to want to warm it up maybe to around 130 degrees. And then the next best thing to scrape it off with is going to be like a plastic putty knife. Something like this right here. It's plastic, it won't scrape. It's got a real thin edge to it. What you don't want to use is a metal putty knife like this. So the first thing you want to do with a sticker or decal is warm it up. And warm up the entire decal. Once your decal is nice and warm, you can take your plastic putty knife and get it underneath the edge of your decal or sticker. And if you can grab a hold of a corner, go ahead and peel it off. Now this sticker here, where it's been stickered over year after year, we'll just go ahead and do the same thing to this sticker until we get all the way down to the bottom. Now that all the sticker's off, you still need to get that little bit of residue off of there. And that's where this is going to come in handy. Start out with this one first before you use that spray version. If you can't get it all off with this one, go to the spray version. But if you do that, spray into your rag and then wipe it off. If you spray that on here, it's going to get all over everything and you'll actually have like little dots of light coloring with that spray version. So we'll just pour a little bit of this into the rag. And then start to wipe off where that sticker was. And it looks like this is completely taking off all the residue. I've already replaced both fenders with the 4x4 stickers. All I have left to do is the gas tank emblem, and this project is done. Hope you found this video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.